Twixtyl Whitbred here, coming to report on some of life's nagging little questions that have never been satisfactorily answered. I thought I'd come to the source and see if I could get some insight from the people themselves here. Oh. Hello, sir. I wanted to ask your opinion. Which came first? The chicken or the egg, sir?
Chicken. Get the fuck out of here.
Feeling a bit peckish? Anyone like to take that question? Which came first? The chicken or the egg? No?
Chicken. Get the fuck out of here.
How about another one then? Excuse me, ma'am. Could you tell me why the chicken crossed the road? Would any of you care to offer an opinion on why the chicken crossed the road? Anybody here like to speak out and finally answer that question for us? No? Okay. How about you, ma'am? The late arriver? No? Okay. Well, could I get your opinion on something, please? Just one question. Perhaps you could answer it for me? No? No one feels like talking? Okay then. Do any of you know General Tso's chicken, maybe? I guess that's why these questions have gone unanswered for so long. They're just not talking. They prefer to keep their secrets to themselves. Perhaps another day, another time. Well, that turned out to be a bit of a bust. But join me next week when I go in search of Turkey Lurkey. Perhaps we'll have better luck. Beaks up, keep a stiff up beak. Okay. How about you? Later on.
My chicken nuggets, chicken. Get the fuck out of here.